Brian DeMoe with DayTradingFutures.net doing a video on the Australian dollar. What we're looking at is a daily, a zoomed out daily, just to show you guys the lines of resistance and support that we now have in play. First, starting with these two price levels, this is now acting as a line of resistance at 879. Now this is the futures chart, so the difference between the Forex and the futures is about 40 points. So for the Forex, you're actually looking at 40 points higher than what my chart is showing here. So two price levels. This was a line of support. Now it's turned into a line of resistance. And this is our new line of support, immediate support, which is at 85.81. And what I'm expecting within the next couple days, if not just in a very short period of time, we're just going to just plummet down to this level of support here. This is actually where I'm in a short position now. My first target is this 85.81 level. And then we also have this descending trend line that started a long time ago. And this is also another area of great interest to me. This is if we make it down to this point, we're looking at about 83.67 area on the futures price, and I really do think that we're going to drop down to this point, well below the RBA's preferred rate at 85 cents flat. So let's take a look at what's going on here on the 4-hour. So the U.S., we had a short rally. It was quite nice, and taking a short opportunity at this point, holding on to those contracts. I did take my profits here without knowing what was going to happen with the employment change, which was well below expectations, which caused this immediate drop well below this line of what I call now a new line of resistance at 879. So looking deeper, let's actually just jump down to a 30-minute. This is a live chart, and we are starting to break down now. People in Europe and other parts of the country are waking up and jumping into the trade, and the volume is starting to pick up. So we did have what could easily be considered a head fake, and this area has no line of support whatsoever. Where we are now, a zero line of support. If the currency was able to make it past this new line of resistance, previous line of support at 879, then it's possible we could have gone into a long trade, but I was watching this level here. Didn't go in long, with the idea of this being a potential head fake, which it is. And so what we're doing now is we're looking for a continuous breakdown, and I have to go back to daily chart. Even then it doesn't show, but you could consider this line here as being a potential first place to take your profits. It's a short duration from where we stand now to here. In the news, we have some heavy impacting US cables coming out at about 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. And then as well as Fed Bernanke's speech, which is released at 10:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. I think that with all those events, we're certainly going to have more pressure on the Australian currency. So going short now, if you're not already holding on to your short position, would definitely be safe in my opinion. First target to take profits would be at this line here. So that's where we stand right now. Australian currency has been taking a beating, and I don't see a reason why we'd have any kind of corrections to the upside. So stay in your short positions if you haven't already taken profits, and enjoy the money. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, DayTradingFutures.net. And if there is a particular instrument that you'd like us to do a technical analysis on, feel free to leave us a message on our Contact Us form, and we'd be happy to do that for you. Have a great day. Thanks.